In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate a Jira project from one Jira instance to another by using the export-import method. Whether you're consolidating projects or just bringing everything under one roof, this guide will walk you through the process smoothly and efficiently. First things first, ensure that the project you want to migrate into is already created and set up in your target Jira instance. This sets the foundation for a smooth transition. Once your target project is ready, go to your current Jira instance where the project you wish to migrate resides. You'll start this process by clicking on the search bar positioned at the top of your screen. From there, select the View All Work Items option. This will show you all items, including tasks, stories, and bugs across different projects. Since we're focusing on a specific project, you need to filter so only the work items from the project you plan to migrate are visible. This is crucial as it ensures you're only moving what's required. Utilize the sorting and filtering options provided by Jira to refine your view. This way, you have a clean slate showing everything relevant and nothing more. Next, once you've isolated the project-specific work items, select them all. To do this, look for the three dots icon perched on the top right of your screen. Click that icon and then choose the Bulk Change Work Items option from the drop-down list. This handy feature in Jira allows you to apply actions across multiple items simultaneously, thus saving time and ensuring consistency throughout. Now you're ready to start the actual migration process. In the Bulk Change Work Items window, you'll follow a four-step process. Firstly, in Step 1, you'll need to select the issues or work items involved in this bulk action. Carefully review the list and ensure all necessary items are checked. This diligence pays off in preventing any accidental omissions. Moving on to Step 2, the choice of bulk action is on the table. In this instance, you'll want to select Move as your designated action. This effectively reroutes the chosen items towards their new home in your target project. Step 3 will prompt you to select the destination projects and specify the appropriate issue types. It's important at this juncture to align the issue types correctly so they map over seamlessly between projects, reflecting accurately in the new environment. Choose carefully and double-check your selections to ensure everything fits together harmoniously. Finally, Step 4 involves confirming your actions. Review the summary in detail. This confirmation acts as your last safety net to verify that everything is set up correctly before completing the move. Once you've confirmed all details, proceed with the action, and, just like that, your items will be successfully migrated into the new Jira project. And that's it. You've just migrated your Jira project using the export-import method. It might sound complex, but with these steps, you'll find the process to be quite manageable and streamlined. Happy organizing, and best of luck with your new project setup.